This is another brief tutorial on a potential classroom application of Flickr.com. If you need to know how to get a Flickr account or get your students onto Flickr or some of the other potential applications such as having students respond to a set of photographs or students curating their own galleries, you can check out the other Flickr tutorials. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how you can set your Flickr account up to also be associated with a special email address that allows students to take photographs with their cell phones and email them directly into your Flickr account as part of an assignment. So this is a very simple thing. I'm already signed into Flickr here on the home page, and all I need to do is go to You, and then I drop down to Your Account. That'll take you to all your different pieces of information, and we're just going to come right over here to Emails and Notifications up at the top. And then we start to see some of the email addresses associated with the account. Now, this Upload by Email options is what you're looking for, and this is my randomly assigned, just generated by Flickr, upload email address. You can edit this and get a new email address if you'd like. If something about it you don't like the randomly assigned one, you can go to edit and just have it reset, and just like that it will assign you a new random email address. So that part is certainly easy enough. Now, the way you could use this with students is to assign them to maybe go out into the community and take some photographs with their cell phones. And once they've done that, many of them have the capacity to just email directly from their phones. If a student doesn't have this capacity or doesn't have a cell phone, perhaps students can work in pairs or groups to complete the assignment. Or, of course, a student could always use a different kind of camera and turn in the picture some other way by attaching it to an email or something like that. But this is a neat way to gather all the pictures together, perhaps use them as a warm-up in class the following session, or look at them together as a group. When students take a photograph with their cell phone, they just select that they're going to email it. They type this email address into the address bar on their phone. And a neat thing about this, which you see described right here, is that students can give their photo a title in the subject line of the email, and in the body of the email they can type with their phones a brief description of the photograph. So that allows the picture, when it's uploaded, to already have a title and a description, and that really enhances students' expectations in terms of turning in these photographs and writing a little bit about why they took them. So that's all there is to it, to assign a special email address to your Flickr account to allow students to email pictures from their cell phones. Some potential student uses of this or classroom applications might be asking students to go out and take photos of various personalities in Fort Collins, perhaps talking to some people in Old Town about different ideas. They could also take photographs of examples of architecture, do some sort of traffic study through photography of a particular intersection, studying littering in various parks around Fort Collins, or just generally taking pictures of some of the things that they see as examples of topics that you've been talking about. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.